Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to get WhatsApp API for business. Right, so if you want to get the WhatsApp API for your business account, or basically you have a business and you need a WhatsApp API, just watch this video step by step. Let me walk you through, right, and make sure that you watch till the end. It is very very important, so you're not going to miss any steps. So just watch till the end, okay? So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to just explain what the WhatsApp API actually is, okay? The WhatsApp business API. Okay, so the WhatsApp business API is designed for medium to large businesses. Okay, so it allows you to send automated messages, right? It allows you to send automated messages at the same time. So it also allows you to integrate WhatsApp with CRM, chatbots, and then customer support. Right, super amazing, right? So you do not need to install anything, right, complex to get started, right? It's mostly a browse based sign up and all of that, so which I'm going to walk you through. So basically, what you want to do if we are going to successfully get the WhatsApp API for business, what you want to do is, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp official business API page. Okay, so this is the official page, www.whatsapp .com/business/API, right? So you can come this route, or you can just type in WhatsApp business, right? So let's not complicate things. Let's just type in WhatsApp business, right? WhatsApp business. So if I come here, let me put in business, okay? WhatsApp business. So if I come here, so now as you can see, there are a lot of sites, but then you want to come to the original site, which is the business.whatsapp.com. Okay, or to just make it easier, we can just copy this www.whatsappbusiness.com, but it's basically the same thing anyways. Basically, let me open it here. Let's see if it's the same thing. So I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to click on this business, WhatsApp business, right? So we'll see if they're actually the same thing. So let's see. Okay, so they're not actually the same, which is very interesting. They're not all that the same, then they look similar, but I believe it's still the same thing, because at the end of the day you're still going to come to where it says get started. Okay, so it says here business.whatsapp.com, it says here business.whatsapp.com, right? So it's practically the same thing. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to exit this one, come here, and then I'm just going to click on where it says get started. Okay, so we're going to follow this guide that I put. So always use official WhatsApp or meta source of your business API registration. And so just always put official WhatsApp sources for your business API registration. Okay, so there are a few things that you need to know. You need to understand the requirements before we proceed. So one, you need a Facebook business account, right? So a Facebook business account is required. So I just thought to let you know, right? Also, you need your business must be verified. So your business must actually be verified to get this API. These are the requirements. Also, you need a phone number for the API registration. Okay, so these are the basic things. Your business has to be verified. We're going to walk through it. So you'll see it. You cannot just get the API without verifying your business. WhatsApp ensures authenticity, right? So you have to have a way of verifying your business. That's just the thing. So once you know this, so come back and continue. So you click on, get started, which is what we clicked on right here, get started, and then this came up. So we are supposed to fill this, right? So it says you will be redirected to your Meta for Developers Business Manager. So but I think we have to fill this first, so let me just put in a random name, John, and then Benjamin. Okay, Benjamin. Just for this video, I'm putting a work email, just putting a random work email. This is actually not the definition of a work email anyway, but I'm just putting it for this video. And then I just put in marketing, job role, so marketing, company name. I'm just going to pick Don Kids. It's just a random name I'm putting, because I'm not actually, because I know we'll need to verify anyway, but I just want to walk you through the steps. So this one are the number of employees and all of that, where your headquarters located. Just put in the country where you are or where your headquarters is. So I'm just going to put in, for this video, I'm just going to put in Nigeria. So what type of information are you looking for? So what type of information are you looking for? A simple way to get started on WhatsApp for small businesses a simple way to use WhatsApp for more sophisticated or volume-based businesses and all. So if you're not sure, you can just select any one of these, how to find more prospects and get customers to engage with on WhatsApp. You can either do that, or you can just click I'm not sure, anyone that best suits your needs. But I just want to walk you through exactly how this works, that's why. So click on submit right here. Alright guys, so once you've done that, right, so the next thing we're going to do is that I'm just going to come here. Let me come back here. So what you're going to do is that whilst we're waiting for them, right, that one is just for WhatsApp. What you want to do is that the actual way to get the API, like I said, the actual way is to continue. Let's continue. Let me show you exactly what to do. Okay, so this one, we just sent them our information, which will come in handy later. But then what you want to do is that once we are done with this step, yeah, so like I said, we're going to go down so you can integrate or get a direct API using something called the business provider solution or business solution provider. Okay, for beginners, using a business solution provider like Twilio, 360 Dialog or Wati can simplify API integration. Now I'm going to explain what that means. So basically, what I'm trying to say here is that you cannot actually get your API directly from WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to use other third-party tools, right, like Wati right here, or Twilio or 360 Dialog, right? So you cannot directly get it from WhatsApp business. So we just put in our information so that if there's any vetting process that needs to be done, right, WhatsApp will be able to vindicate us whilst we are actually signing up to one of these. So we're going to be using Wati for this video. So I'm just going to come over here to Wati. We're going to click on Wati. So this is Wati that we are going to be using, right? So we are done with this WhatsApp business stuff. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go to Wati. It says Wati is an official WhatsApp business API provider, right? These are the people that actually give you the provider, the APIs. So it's fully legitimate. Okay, so you have to sign up to get an account. You click get started to sign up, put in your business email and phone number and business name. You set up a password, you verify your account if required, right? They usually would require it anyway. So yeah, so I'm going to click on it, Wati right here. So as you can see, they do have a free trial, so you can actually try it out. So you have to put in your real WhatsApp business name and all of that. So let me just walk you through the steps right here to go through. So like I said, you put in get started, sign up. You just enter in your business email, phone number, and your business name. Set up a password, right? Then you verify your email if they ask you to verify it. Right, so you use your real business info. This ensures WhatsApp verification goes smoothly. Right, so you don't want any problem along the way. So you want to use your original name, original business name. So you can also create a WhatsApp business profile, which is very important, right? You have to create a WhatsApp business profile. So after logging in, you'll be prompted to add your WhatsApp number. So after you log in, they'll ask you to add your WhatsApp number. You input your business phone number, right? Business phone number. You verify your number via SMS or call. Now you have to know that the number must not be registered with a regular WhatsApp. You have to use a business WhatsApp, right? So WhatsApp business is allowed. Only WhatsApp business is allowed, right? So your regular WhatsApp number is not allowed. You have to use a WhatsApp business, okay? So the business verification. So Wati will guide you to verify your business on Meta or Facebook Business Manager. Okay, so they will guide you to, remember I told you one of the requirements is you have to have a Facebook Business Manager account, right? So a Facebook business account. So they are going to guide you on how to verify your business on Meta, Facebook Business Manager. Okay, super amazing. And what's going to happen next is that you see that the steps usually include adding your business information like your legal name, website address. These are usually the steps to walk you through. So you verify business domain. So they verify your business domain and all. If you do have a domain, so uploading documents if needed, right, like license or registration and all of that. So pro tip, you can show the dashboard and steps without sharing sensitive documents. So basically I wanted to actually show some of the steps by myself, but then I know sometimes people tend to take advantage of you and then they might try to get some of my information. That's why I'm very careful with what I'm actually doing here, right? So like I said, you put in your name and then put in your business email address, set up a password, put in your phone number, primary team that we use Wati and all of that. So you want to set up all of this and then you start your trial. So let's continue. Wati provides the API key slash token, right? So they will now give you the API key and token. So that's once your number and business are approved, the both of them are approved. So WhatsApp business ID. So they will give you your API key or API token. They will give you your business ID. Okay, you can now integrate the API with chatbots, CRM systems, and all of that. Okay, CRM systems and all of that. So customer support tools, you can now use all these tools. You can now integrate the API with this particular these apps that run this type of things. Okay, so pro tip, these credentials allow your business to send automated messages. So they allow your business to send automated messages, notifications, or support or customer support messages legally. Okay, so that's it. So this one is also an optional thing, but then you can start using the dashboard. You know, Wati has a ready to use dashboard where you can, so you can send messages, set up your chatbot, automate notifications, and all of that. So this is for beginners, right? So no coding is required. So basically these are the steps that you have to go through, right? Wati actually makes it easier. So the moment your business name and your business is actually approved, your business is actually approved, like I wrote down here, right? So the moment everything is approved, your number and your business are approved, that Wati provides immediately will provide you your API key. So it usually does not take too much time, right? It takes about 48 hours or thereabouts for everything to be approved, usually less than that anyway. But then once everything is approved, right, they will give you your API key, your WhatsApp business ID, and also you can now integrate your API with chatbots, CRMs, and customer support tools and all of that. So basically that's actually it, right, for this video. So yeah, if you don't know the Wati website, just type in Wati or just go to app.wati.io, right? So app.wati.io, right? That's basically it. So yeah, do well to like this video if you got any value. This is basically how to get your WhatsApp API for businesses. So yeah, do well to like this video if you got any value, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We make videos like this to help you out, so just subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.